splash is done. And I couldn't be more thrilled with the results. Now I have to show you something else that I really like. Check out my coat hooks. The best part is that they're these color shift paints, so they change colors as you move. And for those in the know, I went with gold. I am freaking loving my front entry. Putting this here was my daughter's idea because she's brilliant and she has a really good artistic eye. And I think it ties in that bookshelf with those chairs and that bench. I'm gonna put some baskets, I think, in here. I have to show you the living room. It's coming together. My glitter wall is done. Unfortunately, it's really, really hard to capture how magical it is on camera. Oh, hold on, I think you can see it. You see that glittering? That's what it does. Oh, just gotta put my tools away and hang some art and at a coffee table. I'm really loving it.